Okay. Namaskara Karnataka, Namaskara my dear students. Welcome everyone. Now it is audible? Yes. Now it is audible, yes. Yes. Good evening everyone. Good evening Vishwas Gowda Patil. Yes. Good evening Anvisha. Good evening Kanishk. Good evening Gayatri. Yes. Good evening Radharani. Yes. ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? How are you all? Preparations ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ? How is your preparations going on? ನೋಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಈ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಓಕೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮುಗ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ನೋಡಿ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ದ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ದ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್? ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅವರು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಎಸ್. Good evening everyone. Good evening my dear students. Hello. Welcome everyone. Super. Okay, preparations are going on very nice. Maths paper will be easy. Yes. Fine. Yes Gayatri. How are you? Fine everyone. Okay. Chalo. So hangidre ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 1. Okay, whatever your SSLC model paper question number 01 is there. Clear? Model paper 01 that we are going to discuss today. Okay, model paper number 01 and that also with solutions. Clear? With solutions. Fine everyone. Is my voice audible to you people? Sir, from this can we get 70 plus out of 80? Okay, if you practice, ನೋಡಿ ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಕಮ್ or else whatever same question might come. Same type of questions when I tell concepts based questions ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಆ ರೀತಿ. ಸೊ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. What we will do, we will finish all the questions. Okay, quickly we will finish whatever questions you people know. We will try to skip that. Fine. Yes. ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ದರ್ ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದುವರುತ್ತೆ. ಫೈನ್. ಎಸ್ ಚಲೋ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Paper pattern ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. Till now you people might be clear with the paper pattern. First whatever is there you will get MCQ. MCQ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, you will get 1 marks into 8 questions. Clear? 1 marks into 8 questions. So total you will get 8 marks from here. Next second ನೋಡಿ, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ very short answer questions. Clear? Which will be 1 marks into you will get nothing but what 8 questions again. So which will be total 8 marks. ಇದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ವೆರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1 marks. ಸಾರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯರ್ 2 marks questions. ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 2 marks question into again 8 questions which will be equals to how much students? 16 marks from here. How many choice you will get over here? ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? How many choice? Clear? From here we will get nothing but what? We will get 2 choice. 2 choice ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇವಾಗ? 2 choice. This means that or 2 or choice questions we will get from here. Okay. Next after this we will be having long answer type question. Okay. Long answer type. Now long answer type only 3 marks. Again yes, 9 questions you need to attempt from here, which is 27 marks you will get from here. Clear? 27 marks. Again here you will get 4 choice. That is or type question. 4 choice or type question. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Yes, I am doing. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟೈಪ್ 3 marks into 9 questions, 27 marks. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್? ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ? ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ 4 marks. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ 4 questions. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? 16 marks. Clear? You got 16 marks from here. So 16 marks again you will get 1 choice or question. Clear? Last you will have students, last whatever is there, you will have 1 single question. Okay, that is 5 marks question you will have into 1 question, which is total 5 marks. Total if you add, it will be an 80 marks paper. Clear? Clear with the paper pattern for everyone? Nodri. ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೀವು ಆರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ 70+ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸಾಕ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್. BPT and A, whatever criteria is there, that you people need to do. Fine? Yes. Chalo. So let us go next. Barri. Let us solve this. First part is your MCQ. 4 alternative choices are given for each of the following question. Incomplete statement. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter. Yes, first question. The number of tangents that can be drawn to a circle at a point on its circumference is. One circle ada, one circle iga external point in the est tangents draw ಮಾಡಬಹುದು one particular point iga ಕೇಳತಾರ. Yes, give the answers everyone. Okay, chalo, we'll have one small poll. Give the answers quickly. No, you'll not get grace time. Okay, you'll get just 10 minutes to fill the details in your examination. Apart from that, you will not get any extra time. Okay, yes. Quickly drop down the answers everyone. D, A. Okay, many. One, option 1 in ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes, view results ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. Yes, most of you have answered option A and option D. Fine. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ನತಾರ ಅವ್ರ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳತಾರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಯಾಗ, ಒಂದ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಟು ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಪಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಅದ? ಒಂದ ಅದ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತದ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸರ್, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್. ಸಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? Only one tangent. Only one tangent. Many tangents ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So your option D is correct for this question. Clear everyone? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes, very nice. ರಾಮ್, ಸುಶೀಲ್, ಚರಣ್, ಮೋಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಮೋಕ್ಷಿತ್ 2 ಯಾಕ? Why 2? It is 1, right? Only one tangent can be drawn. Next question. If A and B are two if A and B are two positive integers, then the correct relationship between HCF of A and B and LCM of A and B is. Correct relationship find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, look at the options. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ್ ಗೌಡ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ? A ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಅದಾವ. ಬಿ ನೆಗೂ ಅದ, ಡಿ ನೆಗೂ ಅದ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಡಿ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಡಿ ಆರ್ ಬಿ? It's B, guys. Okay, your relation is this: HCF of A and A comma B multiplied by LCM of A comma B is nothing but A multiplied by B. We people had done one example, nenapada, while discussing the your marathon ಮಾಡತ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. Yes or no? Your H into L is equal to A into B. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? We had done this or no? Yes, Anvisha, tell. We had done this or no? Correct. So ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದ? HCF of A comma B into LCM of A comma B is A into B. So your option B is correct pa for this question. Understood? Clear ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. This thing that you are writing a real time examination. ಏನ್ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯತ್ತೀರಿ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯತ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹಾಲ್ನಾಗ ಅದರಿ. You people are there in the exam hall. Think like that. Okay. Next, the number of solutions for a pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 when a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Direct condition na? Direct condition based. Yes. Tell me guys. 30 seconds poll ಕೊಡ್ತೇನಂತ quickly ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. A ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಜಸ್ಟಿನ್ ಎ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದ? ಹಾ, ಝೀರೋ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ ಹಿಂಗ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿ? ಓದಿರೇನಿಲ್ರಿ ನೀವು? Okay, most of you have done wrong. See, 0 will not come, guys. Okay, answer is B. Fine. Nodri ಏನ್ ಕೇಳತ್ತಾರ? This condition is nothing for what? This condition is nothing for what? Yes, what is this condition for? Unique solution. This condition is for unique solution. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? Unique solution ಈಗ ಅದ ಇದು question. Yes or no? Fine. Yes, now when we talk about unique solution means that what? Only one solution, not zero. Okay, only one solution. Fine. It means that it is only one solution. So hangidre yaud option correct aata? Your option B is correct. Okay, next question. The nth term of the arithmetic progression is 3n minus 1. 8th term kelatara. Simple question or no? See what they are asking. an is equal to 3n minus 1. This has been given. They are asking the 8th term. 8th term andre ena? A8. 8 will be 3 times 8 minus 1, which will be equals to what? 24 minus 1. 24 minus 1 is nothing but what? 23. This is the answer. So yaad option aata? 23 andra your option C is correct. Yes janak banta 23. Very nice guys. Ee question correct ag madiri. Okay, chalo. Next, the maximum number of zeros for the polynomial is. Yes, this question is little bit tricky, guys. Try to do quickly. You need to find the maximum number of zeros for this polynomial. Madri, quickly you need to do this. Tap answer kodbadri. A. Okay, C option A. Yes, most of you have got A. Very nice. Sushmita, Suma. Yes, Justin. Correct. Anvisha, yes. Vishwas Gowda, yes. Vijay Gaming, correct. Yes, most of you have got the answer. Chalo. So option A is correct, guys. 88.89% students have got the answer. Okay. So nodri ಏನು ಕೇಳತ್ತಾರ? Number of zeros. To find the number of zeros for the polynomial, what we do? We take P of x as equal to 0. Okay. To find the number of zeros, we take P of x is equals to 0. Andre ena? X cube minus 1. We take it as equals to 0. Okay. Now see here, guys. You know this identity, right? Identity gottilla andra definitely you cannot proceed with the problem. A cube minus B cube is nothing but what? A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So same identity if I use over here, A value is 1, A value is x, B value is 1. So if I use from here, we will get x minus 1 into we will get nothing but what? X square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Correct? Now two parts next split ಆಗ್ತಾ ವಿದ. X minus 1 is equals to 0 or your x value ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 1 ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes or no? So this is a one part. Another part will be nothing but what now? X square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. This is nothing but what? A quadratic equation. Quadratic equation mag ಎಷ್ಟು zeros ಇರಬೇಕಾ? 2 zeros. Clear or no? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 0 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 0 ಅದಾವ. Total zeros are nothing but what? 3. So option A is correct. Understood? ತಿಳಿತಾ? Yes, very nice guys. Okay, those who got the answer. Next, the volume of a right circular base cylinder is 1540 centimeter cube. Its height is 10 centimeter. You need to find the area of its base. No, I am not from Yadgir. I am from Belgavi. Okay, Kundanagar, Belgavi. D. Yes, Kanishk, Suma, clear. ಶಾಯಿಸ್ತಾ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಏನನ್ನತ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರ? ಒಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಅದ. ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ರಫ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತ. ಫೈನ್. this is the cylinder, guys. Okay, this is the cylinder, right? Circular cylinder. They are telling that whatever the volume is there, ಈ cylinder the volume ಎಷ್ಟದ? How much is the volume? 1540 centimeter cube, and its height they have given. Height is how much? 10 centimeter. What they are asking in the question? They are asking that the area of its base. Area of the base andre ena? We have to look for this, right? Area of the base andra this it is. Correct or no? See, it is this. Now what is this figure? Idenada? Can anyone tell me? You okay? Bijapur nagindadiri ನೀವು? Bijapur. Okay. So what is this? Tell me, guys. What figure is this? When we talk about area of the base of the cylinder, what is this? Idenada? Quickly. Circle. Correct. So this is a circle. Yes or no? So what is the area of the circle now? Area of the circle is pi r square. Correct or no? Okay. So in the volume of the cylinder, we know that volume of the cylinder formula is nothing but what? Yes, we don't know radius of the base. Idan gottilla. But volume of the cylinder, we know that it is nothing but what? Pi r square h. Clear? Nodri pi r square bantenilla. So pi r square will be nothing but what? V divided by h. V value another. V value is nothing but 1540 divided by 10. So this will get cancelled. We will get 54 centimeter square. Okay. This is nothing but the required area. So your option C is correct. Ill nodri, you need cube other, you need 2 other. This also you need to understand, guys. Okay. Idan tap madak hogbadri. ತಿಳಿತೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಎಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅದ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅದ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮೀನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಬೈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಗೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ ಎ ಎಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ್ ಗೌಡ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಕನಿಷ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂಕಿತಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸುಷ್ಮಿತಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಗೈಸ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮೀನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅನ್ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡೇಟಾ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಐ ಉಳ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫೈನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ yes 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree is equal to yes do the analysis nodri okay ನೀವೇ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮ್ದ ಇತ್ರಾಗಿಂದ ಬಂತ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ದ ಎತ್ರಾಗಿಂದ ಬಂತ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್ ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಡಿ everyone is getting D. Okay, very nice guys, correct. Nodri tan 45 degree value tan 45 degree value enaitappa 1 haudenilla tan 45 degree value is 1. So from here now if I substitute that it will be 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 because 1 square is nothing but what 1. So here we have 0 divided by 2 0 by 2 andre en bartada 0 banta. So 0. Now see tan 90 degree value is how much? Infinity, undefined other. Yes, option A is incorrect. Sin 45 degree value another 1 by root 2. Not correct. Cos 0 degree value is how much? 1. Not correct. Sin 0 degree value is nothing but what? 0. So your option D is correct. Clear everyone? Very nice guys. Correct. Okay. This question correct ag madiri. Okay. Now we have finished the MCQs. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ MCQs ಮುಗೀತು ನಿಮ್ದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ 1 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ದರ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ MCQ and 1 marks all the questions if you write correctly then only you will get 80 out of 80 fit this in your head ಓಕೆ ನೀವು ಏನಾರೇ ಒಂದು MCQ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿರಂದ್ರೆ 80 out of 80 ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ 80 out of 80 ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ thumbs up ಕೊಡ್ರಿ 80 out of 80 ತಗೋತೀರಂದ್ರ give a thumbs up quickly yes clear everyone yes Purti has given C first Purti yes Anvisha correct 80 out of 80 ಬರಬೇಕಾ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ clear Aditya yes Amulya yes surely and I will also work hard for that okay fine chalo ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಗೈಸ್, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ನೈಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಚಲೋ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ n ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ whose first term is a and the last term is an. Yes, sum of n terms of the arithmetic progression. We know that nothing but what? Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. This is the formula. Ishta baribeka exam naga. A is the first term, an is the nth term. Direct formula, correct. Very nice guys, very nice. I'm happy that at least 25 people are giving a thumbs up to score 80 out of 80. Salute to you people, okay? Hanga practice madri. Clear? Yes. So this is nothing but the formula to find the sum of n terms of the AP. N by 2 into a plus an. Clear? We'll go for next question. Chalo. Write the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2. Midpoint formula. When we were doing marathon, we have discussed it 100 times. Midpoint formula. 100 times ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಸ್ ಓನು? ಏನದ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೇಳತ್ತಾರ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ 2 points are there. Okay, this is the 2 line. One line is there. This is 1 point. This is 1 point. Middle 1 point is there. So midpoint formula they are asking. Correct. Very nice. Yes or no? So what is the midpoint formula, guys? Now we have x comma y. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ? Don't forget this. Okay. ಇದನ್ನ ಮರ್ತ್ರ half marks ತೆಗಿತಾರ. One point is there, x comma y, which is nothing but what? x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Okay, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Everyone understood this? Clear or no? Okay. Yes. Anjali, you are running little late, amma. Come fast, come front. Okay. Chalo. Yes. Most of you have answered it correctly. Next question ಹೋಗೋಣ, time waste ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. The pair of linear equations x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0, 2x plus by minus 3 is equals to 0 have no solution. Find the value of b. Yes, those who don't know no solution case, look at this. No solution. When do we get no solution? No solution case. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ no solution? When will we get, guys, no solution? If we have a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ no solution ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ your a1 by a2 should be equals to b1 by b2. Clear? ಇದಂತೂ ಇಷ್ಟು satisfy ಆಗಬೇಕಾ? a1 by a2 should be equals to what? b1 by b2. Clear? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes. Now get the value of b. Get the value of b. Yes. b value is 2. b value 2 ಬರತ್ತದ. Okay. We'll go by the same condition. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನದ? This is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Now if you compare from this, your a1 value is nothing but what? 1. And your b1 value is not, sorry. Okay, ಆ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಬಿನ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಫೈನ್, b1 value is nothing but what? 1 over here. Now when we look for this same, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So from here, a2 value is 2 and your b2 value is b itself. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನಿಗೆ ಬರೋನೀಗ. ಫೈನ್, we'll come to this condition. a1 by a2 should be equals to b1 by b2. Again, extra condition we will tell that from here, no solution case, it should not be equals to c1 by c2. Okay, like this we tell it. Understood, students? Theta? Yes. B value is 2. Very nice, guys. Okay, a1 value is 1, a2 value another 2 other should be equals to b1 value is 1 divided by b2 value is b. So if you cross multiply from here, b value is nothing but what? 2. Exam nag ishta bariri. In exam you need to write only this much answer because it is a 1 marks question. Clear? Understood, everyone? B value is not 1, B value is 2. B value is 2. Okay, chalo, next. Find the maximum length of the rod to completely measure the rods of length 24 meter and 36 meter. Nodri, e type of problem. What they are telling over here, in another, Okay, this is one rod guys, this is another rod. Fine. So whatever this rod is there, it is see, this is the rod over here, right? Okay, this is the rod over here, and this is 24 meters. This is another rod. Okay, this is another rod which is 36 meter. They are asking that you need to find maximum length of a rod. Andre ena innond rod ada, there is another rod, we don't know how much it is, but this rod should be such that it can measure both the rods. It can measure both the rods over here. Okay, so what is the length of this rod? They are asking 12 meter. Very nice. Ankita is prepared correctly. The maximum, yes. Kanishk also is prepared. Very nice. Correct guys. Yes, we need to find the HCF. E type of questions bandidaga nodri. One rod, innond rod kottidara. Maximum length will be nothing but what now? It will be HCF of 24 and 36. Highest common factor you need to find. Okay. Now 24 factors if you write down, it is nothing but what? 1, 2, 3 bartada, 4 bartada. Correct. Again which will come guys? 6, 8. Correct or no? And then you will get 12 and 24 itself. Now when we look for 36, 36 factors are 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4 will come. 6. 8 won't come. 8 4 is 32. 9 bartada. Correct. 12 will come. Fine. After that again which will come? 18. 18 bartada. 18 and then 36. Now if you observe the highest common factor, here there is a 12 and here there is a 12. So therefore the maximum length of rod required is 12 centimeters a meter. Okay, 12 meters. Understood everyone? Tilita ella liga? Understood or no? Ellarik tilitenilla? Clear? Yes. Okay. Chalo. Write the formula to find surface area of the sphere. One line answer. Surface area of the sphere. Yes. Quickly drop it down in the chat box. Surface area of sphere. Yes. Quickly guys. Surface area of the sphere. Formula inadappa. What is the formula? 4 pi r square. Very nice guys. 4 pi r square. Okay. Where r is nothing but what? Radius of the sphere. Clear? Radius of the sphere. Ishta baribeka. This much is what you need to write down in the exam. Okay. Fine. 4 pi r square. Chalo. Next question is go na. If one of the zeros of the polynomial is 2, then you need to find the value of k. This one polynomial ada. This polynomial one of these zeros they are telling it as 2. You need to find the value of k. Yes, do it guys. Do it. Pay attention in class. Class ಕೇಳ್ರಿ correct ಆಗಿ ಇದ questions ಬಂದ್ರೆ exam ನಾಗ ಮತ್ regret ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ. Understood right? Done? Band the answer. Did you people get the answer over here? Yes. Look at this. They are telling that if 1 0 of the polynomial is 2, this is the polynomial. 0 is 2. You need to find the value of k. Means what now? P of 2 value is equal to 0. This is given. 0 andra ada 0 kelsa ada alla polynomial naga. Whenever you take the value and substitute in the polynomial, you will get automatically 0. That is the value of 0. 18. Leela, do it correctly. Kanish 10. Very nice. Okay, p value 2 hakidra illi 0 ಆಗ್ತದ. So means that what now? This is wherever x is there, I need to substitute 2 over here. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾತ 2 square plus 7 times 2 plus k is equals to 0. Correct? 2 square is nothing but what? 4 plus 14 plus k is equal to 0. So k value ಏನು ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲಿಂದ minus 18. Clear? ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. K value is minus 10 na. Minus 10 ಯಾಕೆ ಬರತದ? Minus 18 right? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? -18 -10 ಯಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ? ವೆರೆವರ್ your x is there, you need to substitute 2. ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. wherever x is there, 2. 2 square plus 7 2s are 14 plus your k. 14 plus 4 is 18. ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ -18 ಆಗ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಚಲೋ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Find the value of discriminant of the quadratic equation. Yes, discriminant you need to find. How do we give the discriminant? Discriminant ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವ್ರಿ? If this is the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then the discriminant value delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Clear? B square minus 4ac. Now if you see over here, if you compare, your a value is 1, b value is 4, and c value is nothing but what? 4. Correct? Now discriminant delta. Discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So which is nothing but what? 4 square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is what? 4. 4 square is 16 minus 16, which is equals to what? 0. 0 banta? Yes. When the discriminant value is 0, what kind of roots we get, guys? Yav kind of roots bartava when the discriminant value is 0? Tell me. Yes, Prakash correct. Spurti correct. What kind of roots do we get when the discriminant value is 0? What kind of roots do we get, guys, when the discriminant value is 0? Equal and real. Yes, correct. Whenever the discriminant value is 0, delta equal to 0, remember that we get equal and real roots. Okay? Yes. Next. In the figure, O is the center of the circle, CA and CB are the tangents to the circle. If AB, sorry, CA and CB are tangents to the circle from the same external point. Okay, fine. Then they are asking that if AB is equals to AC, then find the measure of the angle. Okay, this angle ada. Fine. This is the angle over here. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಎರರ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಲಿಚ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, is it clear now for everyone? Okay, yes, am I audible? Online, those who are there, is the video clear now? Okay, fine. So yes, students, we'll take one 5 minutes break. Okay, correct ಆಗಿ 5 minutes break ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, we'll take one 10 minutes break and then we can continue again. Okay, ಅದೇನು ಎರರ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಲಿಚ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ಲಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಫ್. ಫೈನ್, 10 minutes ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಚಲೋ. Okay, fine. Everyone. Now am I audible correctly? Yes. Now there is no disturbance ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes. Everyone, am I audible now? Yes, tell me. Am I audible now? Okay, fine. So we had stopped at this problem, correct? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. Yes or no? In the figure, O is the center of the circle. Clear? O is the center of the circle. C and CB are the tangents to the circle drawn from the same external point. Clear? AB is equal to AC they have given. Whatever your AB is there is equal to AC. They are telling that find the measure of OAB. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ಅವರು ಬೈ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ, ಇಫ್ ದ tangent is drawn from the external point, whatever if the tangent is drawn from the external point to the circle, then they are equal. Yes or no? Clear or no? Correct. So whatever it is there over here, correct, so this both are equal. Fine. So C, we can tell that also AB is equals to AB AC. Andre ena AB is equals to AC andra this is AB and this is your AC. This is given in the question. Clear? So we can tell that whatever your all these three are equal. From this to I can tell this. So triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. If triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, your angle whatever is there, or else I can tell like this, your triangle BAC or angle BAC is nothing but what? 60 degree. Correct or no? This is nothing but what now? Because in an equilateral triangle we know that all the angles are 60 degree. Correct? Now your angle OAC, external tangent and the radius make how much angle? ಎಷ್ಟು angle ಮಾಡ್ತದ? If you take the this radius and external tangent, how much angle it will make? ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದ? Correct? How much angle it will make? Fine. So here if I am adding it, okay. So angle made by tangent and radius. Okay, angle made by tangent and radius is nothing but what? 90 degree. So what we can tell over here now, nodri, actually nam find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿರೋದೇನ? Yes, what we need to find over here guys, we need to find the angle OAB. Correct? So I can tell that your angle OAC is equals to angle OAB plus angle BAC. Clear? Now this is, we know that it is 90 degree. This is we don't know, which we need to find. And this is nothing but what? 60 degree. So therefore I can tell that angle OAB is nothing but what? 90 minus 60, that is what? 30 degree. Exam nag ishta bariri. Remaining calculation is for you people. Okay, 30 degree. Very nice. Exam naga ishta baribeka 1 marks question it is. Remaining calculations you people can do it in the rough sheet. Clear? Yes. Okay, Spurti. Fine. Chalo, next is a 2 marks questions. Okay, 2 marks questions are there. Quickly 8 questions are there. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression 4, 7, 10 using the formula. Clear? Using formula they have given. First term if you observe, it is 4. Common difference is what? 7 minus 4 is 3, 10 minus 7 is 3, so common difference is 3. So formula another, Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct or no? So we need to find S20. S20 will be nothing but what? 20 divided by 2. 2 times of a. 2 times of a andre en bartada? 4. 20 minus 1 is 19. And d value is nothing but what now? 3. Correct? Yes. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Fine. So from here we have 10 times of 4 2s are 8. Yes. 19 into 3 is how much? 57. Correct or no? 57 we have. Correct? So if I add this both now, ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? This is 65. So 65 into 10 is nothing but what? 650. Clear guys? Sum of 20 terms. Understood? Very nice. Sandeep is correct. Sushmita correct. Ankita correct. Yes. Chalo. Next question. Disha is correct. Solve the given pair of lines by elimination method. Elimination method ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Easy ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನದ? 2x plus y is equal to 8 and we have x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, this is what we have over here. Now if I add this both equations, this will get eliminated. Plus y minus y eliminate aata. 2x plus this is x is equals to 8 plus 1 is 9. So therefore your x value is nothing but what? 9 divided by this is 3. So the x value banta. Substitute in one of the equation. Okay, we have eliminated one variable. Next, substitute in one of the equation. We'll take 2 times of from 1. Okay, hing baribekaagtade exam naga. Clear? From 1 andre ena, whatever this equation is there, it is 1. This equation is there, it is what? 2. Clear? 2 times of 3 plus y is equal to 8. Or y value is nothing but what? 8 minus 6 is nothing but what? Clear? Ishta artha aita? X value is 3, y value is 2. Very nice guys. Correct tag madatiri. Fine. Correct? Chalo. The difference between two positive numbers is 26, and if one of the number is thrice the other, find the number. Simple question ala. Simple question or no? Quickly let us do. Let x and y be the positive numbers. Clear? Let x and y be the positive numbers. You need to write like this. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ, ಅವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮಗೆ half marks ಬರ್ತದ. Difference between two positive numbers. X minus y is equals to 26. This is given, guys. Okay, given. Name this as equation 1. Again they are telling that if one number is thrice the other, means x is equal to what? 3 times of y. Name this as equation 2. Clear? Now from here what we can do? In ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ, substitute this in this. Yes or no? 2 in 1. If we take 2 in 1, so it will be nothing but what? 3y minus y will be equal to 26. 2y will be equal to 26. Or y value will be equals to what? 13. Correct or no? Okay. So y value 13 bantandre x value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ? X is equals to, we have 3 times of y. Correct? So x will be equals to what? 3 times of 13. So therefore x value is 39. How many of you got? Very nice. Amulya, Anvisha, Vijay Lakshmi, Ankita. Correct. Very nice, guys. Correct? Okay. Chalo. Next, in the figure, write the values of sin C. Sin C andre ena? We know that whatever sin C is there. Yes, quickly answer in chat box, guys. Sin C, we know that it is opposite. Correct? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Correct? Now opposite is nothing but what? Opposite either another 12. And what is the hypotenuse? 13. So this is sin C value. Cos A. Cos A is nothing but what? A is there over here. It is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Whatever 12 is there will be adjacent for this. Hypotenuse will remain same, 13. So both the answers are 12 by 13. Very nice guys. Okay, correct answer madatiri. 2 marks you people are able to score. Say. Write the probability of a sure event and an impossible event. Okay. So what do we mean by sure event? What do we mean by sure event? See, if I am taking a coin, okay. If this is the coin we have, here also there is a head and here also there is a head. Both the sides if we have head, then if I toss the coin, and what is the probability of getting an head if I tell, then it will be what? 1 always. Okay, means 100% ಆ event ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂತ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Sure event ಅಂತೀವಿ. Clear? So therefore I can tell that for the first one, probability of a sure event. See, 2 marks. Simple question ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Probability of a sure event is always 1. And second, probability of an unsure event or impossible event also we will tell, which is nothing but what? 0. Correct? Dice ada. On a dice, if I ask you what is the probability of getting 7, understand my question, guys. If I am throwing a dice and if I ask you what is the probability of getting 7, what is the answer? Yes, Disha correct, Vishwagowda correct. Understood my question? One dice ada. Dice and if I throw, what is the probability of getting 7? Answer, guys. 0. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಅಷ್ಟ. Sure 1 greater ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Sure is 1. Fine. Now when I asked you, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಡೈಸ್ ನಾಗ 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಇರ್ತಾವ, 7 ಇರ್ತದೇನ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0 ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Yes, find the distance between the points using distance formula. Distance formula use ಮಾಡಿ you need to find what is distance formula. Distance formula ಏನದಪ್ಪ, ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, x1 y1 and x2 y2. Clear, 2 points are there. We need to find the distance between these 2 points. So how do we give? Your distance d will be under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so this is nothing but your point x1 y1, this is nothing but your point x2 y2. So what will happen from here? Nodri iga x2 minus x1, this is x2, this is x1, 1 minus 5 whole square, 1 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 3 minus 6 whole square. Correct? 1 minus 5 is nothing but what? It is nothing but minus 4. Minus 4 whole square and the 16 banta. 3 minus 3 whole square is nothing but what? 9. So this is root of 25, which is nothing but what? 5. Okay, 5 units is the answer. Very nice guys. Correct. Okay, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ. Okay, 5 units. Clear? Simple alla problem. Let us go to next. A fair coin is tossed twice. Find the probability of getting the head at least one. Clear? So sample space discuss ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. How will be the sample space for this event? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದ? Head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Yes or no? This is nothing but the sample space. Head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Correct? Find the probability of getting head at least once. Okay, now event E. Event E be getting head at least once. Clear? Getting head at least once. So when I construct this event now, event E ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, at least once ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ, 100% ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾ, 3/4. Very nice guys. Correct? 3/4 ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾ. So head will come, head tail ಬರ್ತದ, tail head will come. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್, because this is 2 marks question. You need to construct these events. Okay, so therefore probability of E will be nothing but what? Number of elements in E divided by number of elements in sample space. So it will be 3/4. Clear? That's it. Next, solve the equation by factorization method. Okay, factorization method in the quadratic equation solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ. So we have x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. How do we do this? 2 other 2 we need to split to get it what? 3. So 2 ones are correct or no? 2 ones are we can split it. This is plus, this is also plus, this is also plus. Correct or no? Then only we'll get 3, right? So what we can do over here, x square plus 2x plus x plus 2 is equals to 0. Correct? From here if I take x common, it will be x plus 2. From here I'll take 1 common, it will be x plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 if I take common, remaining will be nothing but what? X plus 1 is equals to 0. Here factors ಬಂದಾವ, equate to 0 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ individually. So x plus 2 is equals to 0, or x value ಏನು ಬಂತ? minus 2. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ your x plus 1 is equals to 0, so x value ಏನು ಬಂತ? minus 1. So this is how you have to answer. Clear guys? minus 1 or minus 2. Very nice. Okay, correctly you people are answering. Okay, chalo next question ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Do this. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equals to 0 has real and equal roots. You need to find the value of k for which the equation has real and equal roots. Try to solve. Yes, what you people are getting, plus or minus root 2 4. Okay, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬರತ್ತದ. You need to find the value of k. So what they are telling, has real and equal roots. Yes, ಅವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. What did we discuss, guys? Real and equal roots. When do we get real and equal roots? Yes, when do we get real and equal roots? Your discriminant value delta should be equals to 0. Correct? That means that nothing but what? Your b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. b square is nothing but what? K square minus 4 times of, yes, a value is nothing but what? 2, and c value is nothing but what? 3, should be equals to 0. So k square minus, yes, ilinda ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ? 3 2 6, 6 4 24, should be equal to 0. K square should be equal to what? 24. Correct? Yes. Next, now what we will do, guys, over here, k is equals to plus or minus root of 24. Yes or no? So k value is equals to what? Plus or minus, this can be written as 6 into 4. 4 will come outside. So k value will be equals to what? Plus or minus 2 root 6. This is the value of k. Clear? How many of you people got the answer for this? K value. Yes, Janak Banta, root 24. Plus or minus root 24. Two values you will get. Okay? Chalo. Next question you go na. In the triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. Your AD is x. Okay? AD x kotidar aura. Your BD is x minus 2. AE is x plus 2. CE is x minus 1. You need to find the value of what? X. Okay, you need to find the value of this x, correct, as well as the ratio, correct. So in madona, yes, they are telling that D is parallel to BC, correct. So this is parallel side. We can use BPT, right? Very nice, Ankita, correct. Okay, so by BPT, okay, so by BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem, what we can tell over here, since it is parallel, okay, we can go with the direct condition. I can tell by that AD by, okay, your AD by BD is equal to, yes, AD by BD is equals to what? AE by EC. Correct or no? Ishт ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? AD by BD is equals to AE by EC. Correct? AD value is nothing but what? X ada. Correct? BD value ಏನದ? X minus 2 ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Correct? AE value ಏನದ? X plus 2. Correct? And your EC value is nothing but what? X minus 1. Correct? Cross multiply from here. X into X minus 1 will be equals to X plus 2 into X minus 2. If you multiply this, it will be X square minus X. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, A plus B, A minus B. A square minus B square. So X square minus 4 I can write down. This will get cancelled. So minus x is equal to minus 4, or therefore your x value is equal to what? 4. Clear? X value 4 banta. Everyone got this? X value as 4. Okay, fine. Next. Okay, so what we have now next? We need to find x value 4 banta. We need to find the ratio AD by, yes, AD divided by DB. E ratio find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ. AD is nothing but what? X divided by X minus 2. That is 4 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 ones are 2. 2s are. So it will be 2 by 1. Therefore, AD is to DB is equals to 2 is to 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Very nice, guys. Correct? ಚಲೋ. Fine. This is state. We have state model papers, right? Correct? State is the. Fine. Next is we have 3 marks. Correct? Nodri 3 marks question sig bandu. Answer the following 3 marks question. 9 questions are there. Quickly let us discuss. Prove that root 3 is a irrational number. Easy question, right? Yes or no? Too many times you people have practiced. Correct? Easy question. Yes or no? Correct? ಇಂಥದ್ದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇನಿಲ್ಲ. Prove that root 3 is a rational number. Prove that root 5 is a rational number. Prove that your 2 plus 3 root 5 ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ You people need to practice one question. See here, I'll write down. Idin question neeva practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is do it by yourself. Okay? This is do it by yourself wala question. Fine? So ee riti questions prove that some question is there dash, okay, is irrational number, okay, is a irrational number. This question you will get it sure shot. Okay, one question antu definitely banda bartada. Clear or no? Okay, clear with this? ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಂಥದ್ದು ಬಂದ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ, ತಿಳಿತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗ? ಚಲೋ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ zeros of the quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial p of x is equals to x square plus 7x plus 10 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. You need to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Correct? First part we can solve. That is what? Finding the roots of the equation. Fine. So how to find okay, to find zero of quadratic equation. Okay, to find zeros of quadratic equation, what do? We take p of x as equal to 0. Correct? Means what we'll get from there? Nodri, neeva solve madri. X square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Correct? Now 10 is there, 10 we need to split in two parts. 5 2s are correct. So this is plus and this is plus. So from here x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. Correct? So from here x if I take common, x plus 5 ulita, ilin 2 common tagondra x plus 5 ulita equal to 0. So x plus 5 into x plus 2 should be equal to 0. Each factor if you equate to 0, x value minus 5 and you get x value as equals to what? Minus 2. Correct or no? X value minus 5 and x value minus 2. Very nice. Amulya, Vishwagowda, Gayatri, Sushmita, Anvisha. Very nice guys. Okay? Correct baratada answers. Chalo. Next nodri. Ishta navin madidu iga. This, if you solve this, you'll get 1.5 marks. Okay? Idu 1.5 marks. Next they are telling that verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. These are nothing but what? Whatever we got over here, these are nothing but your zeros. Next we need to find what? Relationship between them. We know that, yes, what we know? Verify the relationship. We know that your alpha plus beta, okay, if these are the roots, correct or no, is equal to what? Minus b by a. Correct? Alpha and beta roots adava. Yavdu one equation ada, alpha and beta are the roots. Fine. So alpha plus beta will be equals to what? Minus b by a. And your alpha into beta will be equal to what? C by a. Okay. So Yashwant is telling, sir, instead of this conduct marathon lesson wise. Okay. So see guys, na in anatenandra these questions new practice madidra definitely you can get 70 plus marks. Okay, 100% it is. 70 plus marks definitely you can get from here. Okay, so alpha plus beta, this is the there. Now from here we have minus 5 plus minus 2 is equals to what? Minus b by a. Minus b by a means what? It is minus 7 divided by 1. Because this is only ax square plus bx plus c. Yes or no? So minus 7 is equal to minus 7. Verified. Correct? And again we have alpha into beta is equals to c into a. One root is nothing but what? Minus 5. Another root is nothing but what? Minus 2. C value is 10 divided by 1. So 10 is equals to 10. Therefore verified. Clear guys? Understood? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ 3 ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. 3 ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆತ ನೀವ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Yes or no? It is same as a marathon, right? 3 model papers when I am doing, it is same as a marathon. I am doing 120, 130 plus questions. And that also we are covering on all the topics. Andre exam nek same pattern nek question bandre, you people will be confident about it. Yes or no? Correct? ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದ್ರಾಗ, ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಅಂತ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂಡ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. then also same thing only, right? Correct? Yes, Swati, same thing I am telling. Same questions will come from model paper ಹೇಳಾತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಬಟ್ ಇದ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೇನಿಲ್ಲ. that is why I am telling that 70 plus is easy to score using your model papers. Fine, chalo next, calculate the mode for the following data. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, in exam it will be not given, for you people reference I have taken this. okay, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಮರಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. don't forget this formula. okay, remember this formula. yes, do it guys. You need to find the mode of this data. Mode, do quickly. Formula il kottideni for your reference. See where maximum it is repeating and then go for it. Yes, if you observe from the table over here students, table anna observe madidra, where is the maximum data? 7 other, 3 other, 7, 10, 1, 2. So here it is repeating maximum number of times. Yes or no? So mode we will get from here now. Correct? So according to the table we can tell that your lower frequency answer I am writing over here. Yes, look at this. Whatever your L value is there, L value is nothing but what? 12. L value 12 banta. Correct? Again your F1 value. F1 value is nothing but what? Yes, what is F1 value guys? Id nimda F1 ಆಗ್ತದ 10. Fine. F0 value. F0 value will be what? Previous to this, that is 7. Your F2 value is nothing but what? Yes, F2 value is post to that, that is 1. H value ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? This whatever height is there, 0 to 4 other, 4 to 8 other, every time see it is 4, 4, correct? So it will be, H value will be 4 over here. ಇಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗ? Mode is 12, very nice. Calculations you people are fast. Mode will be equals to L value is 12. Chalo quickly I'll also do. F1 minus F0. F1 minus F0. 10 minus this will be 3. 2 times of F1, that is 20. Correct? Directly I'll write down over here. Okay. 3 divided by 20. 20 minus 7. Correct? 20 minus 18. 20 minus 20 minus 8 will be 12. Into height is 4. Correct? 4 ones are 4 3s are 3 will get cancelled. So 12 plus 1, which will be equals to what? 13. 13 is the answer. Okay. Yes, very nice guys. Okay, Treta, not mode is not 12 guys, mode is 13. Mode is 13. Tap madbadri. Pattern is same but questions are different sir. Really sir? Yes. Okay, clear? Understood? Chalo next, calculate the median for the, because see here, don't do mistake, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cancel ಆದ್ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಇದನ್ 0 ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. This is not 0, this is 1. 12 plus 1 it will be. Clear? 13 is the answer. Yes, Vishwas Gowda is correct. Fine, chalo next, calculate the median for the following grouped data. Okay, group data is given. Again this formula I have given for your reference. Okay, formula is for your reference. Chalo, do it guys. Madri correctly. Yes, find the median for this data. The pattern of the question will be same, 100% it will be same. Muru model paper nodri niva, data will be changed, that's it. Okay, or question will be changed. Median is 25. Okay, for how do we do the median for this? First of all we need to construct this. Yes or no? Cumulative frequency construct madbeka. Okay, so where I'll construct over here, because of the space illa, here I'll do cumulative frequency. Fine. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, that is CF. Clear? Yes. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? First value as it is 2. ಅದಾದ್ಮ್ಯಾಗ we add this both. Correct or no? 2 plus yes, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 8 is nothing but what? 14. 14 plus 5 is nothing but what? Yes. 4 correct no? Nodri. 2 banta 6 8. Okay. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 5 is nothing but what? 17. 17 plus 1 is nothing but what? 18. Clear? Fine. Il salp nimda actually we have to write down like this. There is no space, so I have written it down like this. Correct? Now if I sum this, I'll get n. N is nothing but what? Summation of f. Yes, if I sum this, how much I'll get? 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 6 is nothing but what? 20. Correct? Now when I do n by 2, okay? So if I do now n by 2, n by 2 n bartada 20 divided by 2, which is nothing but what? 10. Correct? Now, now if you observe, your cumulative frequency is over here. 10 can be nearer to this also, or 10 can be nearer to this value also. Yes or no? You people only observe. Correct? Because difference each time is of what? 4. We can take the lower value. We can select this. So corresponding to this, we have nothing but what now? We have to mark it over here. Okay? Idana mark madideni. Artha aitena? Clear everyone? Yes. Now once this is done, just go for the data. What all we need? N by 2 already we have found. Correct? CF we need. Cumulative frequency corresponding to this is nothing but 6. Correct? Your frequency is nothing but 4. Lower value of the interval is 10. That's it we need. So therefore median of the data will be nothing but what now? Yes, formula next substitute madri. L value is nothing but what? 10 plus n by 2. N by 2 means what? 10 minus cumulative frequency 6 ada divided by, yes, it will be nothing but what? F. F value corresponding to this is 4 into height of the interval. Height of the interval every time estada 10, 10, 10, yes or no? So into 10. Okay. So now if you observe over here, see 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 4 cancel aata. So here you have 10 plus 1 into 10 irtada 10, which is equals to what? 20. So median is 20. Understood guys? 25 baratada. Median is 25. Where I have done mistake guys? L mistake madiden nana. Median of the data you people are getting 25. Okay. 10 minus, yes, frequency value is 10 minus CF. CF is 6 divided by F. F value is 4. 20 adala? Yes. What is the answer for this? 20 or 25? Tell me guys. 20 or 25? Sir, 17 is 19 and 18 is 20. This previous one is 17 is 19 and 18 is 20. Okay. Two as it is. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14. Okay. If even this will change, then no need to worry for this. Correct Allah? Even if this will change, your 14 plus 5 is 19 and this is 20. But we are going to look for here only, right? Ille nodbekagtada. So if you are looking at over here, where I have done mistake, 20 adala answer. Median class is 20 to 30. Okay, median class if we take 20 to 30, why median class is 20 to 30? It can either lie over here also, it can lie over here also. Okay, median class, let us see. Okay, sorry guys, I think I have done mistake. Nodu innonsati calculate madonanta. Okay, here we have 6 and here we have 14. Upper this cumulative frequency if we take, then we have to look for this. Now when we look for this, just a minute. Okay, so when I look for this now, I have to come over here. E data nodbekagtada. Correct or no? So here if we see, your CF is nothing but what now? 14. Correct? And your N value, N by 2 is done. F value for this is 8. Correct? L value, lower middle value is 20. Correct? Height will remain same. Height is 10. So your median will be equals to L is 20 plus N by 2. N by 2 andre ena 20 divided by 2 is 10. minus, yes, CF value is nothing but what, 14. We'll get in negative, no, divided by what we have, f value is 8 into 10. Negative baratada illinda. We are getting negative from here, correct or no? So which will be nothing but what, 20 plus, yes, this is nothing but what, minus 4 divided by 2, correct, minus 4 divided by 8 into 10. So 2 ones are 2, how much are 2s are 2 ones are 2, 5s are. So we have 20 minus 5, which is equals to what, 15, correct? Okay, I think somewhere I'm doing mistake, guys. Okay, this question I'm doing mistake. We'll do it in next class. Fine, I'm doing mistake over here, somewhere I'm doing mistake. Fine, don't look for this question, we'll do it in the next class. Chalo, this question, prove that your root of 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A plus root of 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A is equals to 2 times of cosecant A. CF value I am taking wrong. Okay, wait, Ankita is telling L value is 20. L value is 20, CF is 6. CF I have to look for previous one, right? CF value is 6, correct? CF value is 6, F value is how much, ma? F value is 4. Okay, F value is 4, L value is 20. Okay, height of the interval is 10. Okay, chalo, if we keep this, then we are looking again for this data. So if you are looking for this data again, then here it will be 10, correct? 10 plus n by 2 andre en bartada, 20 divided by 2 is again 10. 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4. F value for that is nothing but what, 4 only, no? Okay, into, yes, H value is nothing but what, 10, correct? So this is 10 plus 10, which is equals to what, 20. This is what I had got it earlier, correct or no? Wrong formula. Where I have taken wrong formula is correct, I think, no? N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Okay, so only I told next class ing madona, summa time waste madod bada. E question madri. Prove that. I'll do it in the next class, guys. Okay, don't worry. Yes, L I have taken 20 only, no? See, L I have taken 20 only. Okay, L value now if I take 20 over here, then answer again it will get 30. Yes or no? Fine. So yes, leave this question, guys. Next class I'll do one more time. Fine. ನೋಡ್ತೇನಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡತ್ತೇನಂದ್ರ clear. Leave this question for now. Chal, next question will go. E question nodri, prove that. We need to prove this. Easy question it is. We'll take LHS. Okay, don't worry now, leave that question, don't think about that question. 20 is right, even I am feeling 20 is right. Don't worry about that question. I'll verify what is the answer, because few of you are telling that 25 is the answer, so I felt that it is wrong. Clear? So adanna chinti madak hogbedri, bidri adanna, we'll go further. I'll do it in the next class. Okay, don't worry. Chalo, so look at this. LHS is there. LHS, we'll take LHS. LHS in the start madona. We have root of 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A, correct? Plus root of 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Okay, next thing nodri, what should we do over here now? ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? Root of, we have 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. Now what to do over here, guys? Multiply, rationalize ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Let us rationalize with denominator. Same thing we will do over here. Rationalize with the help of what? Denominator. So 1 plus cos A over here we have divided by 1 minus cos A multiplied by 1 plus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. Understand? Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತೇನೆ ಈಗ? Next step, see here. Numerator 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A will be nothing but what? 1 minus cos A whole square. Denominator what we have? A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. So 1 minus cos square A. Correct or no? Plus here we have root of numerator nodri matta 1 plus cos A whole square. Denominator again we have 1 minus cos square A. Understood up till here? Ilmata in doubt ada? Is there any doubt over here? Okay. Fine. Chalo. I have done wrong, guys. I have done wrong in previous problem. Don't worry. Leave that now. Munduk hogonanta. Okay. Chalo. So over here, root of what we have? Nodri 1 minus cos A whole square. Let it be as it is. Over here, what we have? 1 minus cos square A is nothing but what? Sin square A. How then? 1 minus cos square A is nothing but what? Sin square A. Same thing over here. 1 plus cos A whole square divided by what we have? Sin square A. Correct? Root horgade bandra. If it comes outside the root, it will become 0. Yes. What is the doubt? Tell. So 1 minus cos A whole square. Square and root will get cancelled. So it will be 1 minus cos A divided by sin A plus il kuda 1 plus cos A divided by, it will be nothing but what? Sin A. Clear? Understood? Now if you observe over here, guys, nodri. Illenada, whatever this is there, it is same, base is same. Correct? So numerators can be added 1 minus cos A plus 1 plus cos A. This will get cancelled. So here we have 2 divided by sin A. Correct? So 2 by sin A. 1 by sin A is nothing but what? Cosecant A. So which is nothing but what? Your RHS. That is what we had to prove, no? 2 cosecant A. Clear everyone? Okay? Fine. Yes, tell me what is the doubt? What is the doubt? Fine. Chalo. Next. We'll go next. Fine. Yes. Prove that 1 divided by secant A minus 1 plus 1 divided by secant A plus 1 is equals to 2 cosecant A into cot A. Or question ada. Okay. This is your or question. Understood, guys? You have to answer either that or this. Fine. Chalo. So in mean median mode also, if you are feeling median is difficult, go for mean. Fine. Chalo. Next. Over here we have now 1 divided by secant A minus 1 plus 1 divided by secant A plus 1. This is nothing but what? Your LHS. We have taken the LHS over here. Okay. Ignore. Whatever I am taking LCM over here. If I take the LCM over here, in denominator we will have secant A minus 1 into secant A plus 1. Over here I need to multiply it by what? Secant A plus 1. And here I need to multiply it by what? Plus secant A minus 1. Cross multiply this, take the LCM. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Correct? Denominator C. A minus B, A plus B other. Numerator ne again other. 2 times of we have secant A. Correct or no? Divided by, yes, look at this. A minus B, A plus B andra secant square A minus 1. Now can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me? Sir, mean median mode in annual exam adu question irtadri. Yes, it will be there, Anvisha. One question definitely it will be there on either mean, median or mode. Okay? Yes, Ramesh, these are all important questions only. Fine. Chalo. Correct. If you do all model question papers and PYQs, whatever important questions are there, other new madidra, definitely you people will get the marks. Now what question I asked? Secant square A minus 1 value is what? Another. Secant square A minus 1 value another. Secant square A minus 1 value. Yes, what it is, guys? Secant square A minus 1 value. 2 times of secant A we have. Divided by secant square A minus 1. What is the value for secant square A minus 1? Tan A. Correct. Very nice. So this is nothing but what? Tan square A bartada. Fine. Tan square A. Correct. Very nice. So from here now, 2 times, nodri adana. secant a adala 2, let it be as it is. I can write it down as cos a, okay, whole divided by tan square. I can write it down as nothing but what, sin square a divided by what, cos square a. Correct. So iಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾತ cos a ಮತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನ cancel ಆತ. Correct. So now we have 2 divided by sin square a, correct, into we have cos a, or which can be written as 2 divided by sin a, correct, square ಅದಲ್ಲ, split ಮಾಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡಾತೇನೆ ನಾನು, cos a divided by sin a. So which will be nothing but what now, see here, 1 by 2 as it is, 1 by sin a is nothing but what, cosecant a, and cos a into cos a by sin a is nothing but what, cot a. So this is your RHS. Clear guys? We had started with LHS, we came for RHS. Understood everyone? Yes, definitely Ashok, you can get, okay, but similar type of questions, same type of questions will not come, I will not tell, but different type barboda. Clear? ತಿಳಿತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗ? Fine. ಚಲೋ next question ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. The length of minute hand in a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by minute hand in 10 minutes. Do this everyone. ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈ question. Yes, do this question everyone. What is doubt, tell. Yes, do this question guys. Kannada ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ. Okay, we are doing it in Kannada only. Yes, so they are telling that length of the minute hand of the clock is 14 centimeter. We need to find the area swept by it in 10 minutes. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಏನು ಅನ್ನತಾರ ಅವರ. Okay, so this is one minute hand of the clock, correct. So in 10 minutes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತದ, it will be like this, correct or no? So it will sweep some area like this over here. Okay, it will sweep some area like this. So this is nothing but what, theta. Artha aita? This is nothing but what, theta. This is 14 centimeter. So whenever such question is given, your required area, yes, what is the formula for required area? Important formula guys, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. The required area A will be theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, this will be the formula. Don't forget this formula. Clear? Okay, yes. So how much is the theta now? Angle theta estada? Yes, very nice guys, correct answer. 162 barangilama. 162 is little bit wrong. See where you people have done mistake now. In 10 minutes, we know that in 60 minutes, your whatever clock is there, minute hand of the clock, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 hour ನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ, 360 degrees. In 60 minutes complete 360 degree. So your 10 minutes, in your 10 minutes, how much time? Just cross multiply. So 360 divided by 10 into, it will be nothing but what, 60, correct? Sorry, into 10 divided by 60, correct? 61 is 66, which is equals to what, 60 degrees. Means it will cover 60 degrees in how many minutes? 10 minutes, correct or no? So required area ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ, 60 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value is 22 divided by 7. How much they are telling that radius ಎಷ್ಟದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 14 ಅನ್ನತಾರ. Yes or no? This only will be the radius, right? If we go on, so 14 into 14, correct? So 60 ones are 6 are, 7 ones are 7 twos are, correct? 2 ones are 2, 3s are. So required area A will be nothing but what? Yes, correctly you people do. Don't use calculator over here. ನಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೇನಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 22 into 14, correct? 22 into 14 is nothing but what? 308 divided by 3. Okay, so 102 ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? Fine, divided by 3 will be nothing but what? 102.67. This is nothing but the required area, centimeter square. Everyone understood this problem? Important problem ada. It has been repeated several times. Okay, ತುಂಬಾ ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದ. ಚಲೋ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose radius is 20 centimeter and also find the perimeter of the quadrant. Yes, perimeter of the quadrant also you need to find. So ಏನು ಅನ್ನತಾರ ಅವರ quadrant of the circle. Now if I take this circle, understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. If I take this circle, okay, so this will be divided into 4 quadrants. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? This will be divided into 4 quadrants. Every circle 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 quadrants it will be divided. We need to find area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant will be nothing but what? Yes, ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ area of the quadrant? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. area of the quadrant ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? area of the quadrant ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? Correct. Total area of the circle is nothing but what? Total area of the circle is pi r square. But ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾ? area of only one quadrant. Suppose ನಾ ಇಷ್ಟ quadrant ತಗೊಳತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. Think that we are taking only this quadrant. Understood? ಇಷ್ಟ quadrant ತಗೊಳತ್ತೇವಿ. Okay, so if you are taking this much quadrant now, so area of the quadrant will be nothing but what? 1 by 4 pi r square. 4 parts ನಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೈತಲ್ಲ, 1 ಕೇಕ್ ಅದ, 4 ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಸೊ 1 by 4 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Okay, next class will be tomorrow. Fine, tomorrow I'll do model paper 2. So 22 divided by 7, r square value. R square ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? Radius of circle 20 ಅನ್ನದಾರ. So 20 into 20. So it will be 4 ones are 4 5s are. Yes, again we need calculator now. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. You people should do the calculations. Understood? Yes, ಎಷ್ಟದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 22 into 5 into 20 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ? Yes, it is nothing but 2200 divided by 7. So divided by 7. So which will be nothing but what? 314.28. Okay, so centimeter square. This is the area of the quadrant. Now area of the this. Okay, chalo, remove this. Area of the perimeter of the quadrant. We need perimeter of the quadrant. Perimeter of quadrant. Correct? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ perimeter of quadrant? Quickly tell me. Perimeter of the quadrant, how will we do, guys? Yes, 314.16. Yeah, even if you write Amulya that much, you will get the marks. Okay, perimeter is 71.42. very nice. Okay, perimeter of the quadrant find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? Complete circumference of the circle or perimeter of the circle, we know that it is 2 pi r. Correct or no? ಇದು one quadrant ಎಷ್ಟು sorry, one quadrant ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದ? 1 by 4 into 2 pi r. Yes or no? Now along with that we have to just find for what? One quadrant. So here one r is there, here one r is there. Clear? So it will be nothing but what now? 2r plus 1 by 4 into 2 pi r. Understood, guys? ಇಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Clear? So let us do the calculation on next page. So perimeter will be nothing but what? 2 times of r under 20. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ? ಯಾಕೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಇದು? ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಟಾಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್. ಸಿ ಇಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇಷ್ಟ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇಸ್ 2 times of 20 plus 1 by 4 into 2 pi r. 2 into 22 divided by 7 into r is 20. Clear? 4 ones are 4 5s are cancel aata. So here it is 40 plus yes. This if you solve, okay, chalo. ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಫೈನ್. If you people need time, then do let me know. Yes. Okay. Nangu calculator ಬರಾತಿಲ್ಲ. Yes. So what we have guys over here, nodri. 22 into 2 is 44. 44 into 5 is nothing but 220. 220 divided by 7 is nothing but what? 31.42. So 31.42. 30 plus this is 71.42 centimeter is the perimeter. Clear? Understood? Yes. Very nice guys. Correct agi malatiri. Fine. Next. In the figure, find the ratio in which the point P divides the line segment AB using the formula. Yes, you people can see this. Correct? Nodri, point P illada. If you observe, this is a point P. They are telling you that you need to find the ratio in which this point P divides the line segment AB. Yes or no? Means if this is M and this is N. Okay? If this is M and this is N. So, n points are the, this point is nothing but what? 0,6. Correct? And this point is nothing but what? See here, this point is nothing but what? 3,0. Suppose it is dividing in the ratio M is to M. I can take this as x1, y1. Correct? I can take this as x1, y1. And this I can take it as x2, y2. Section formula. What is section formula now? Yes, what is section formula? Correct agi ಹೇಳ್ರಿ section formula. Another section formula. Yes, anyone quickly? Section formula. Fine. Okay, copper boys are watching. Fine. So nodri, section formula enantadandra we don't know what is this point. Correct or no? This point also we know actually. So which is nothing but what? 2, okay, not visible, right? Chalo. This point is also nothing but what? 2, 2. Fine. So if we see now, your x, y will be nothing but what? M times x2 plus n times x1 divided by m plus n, comma m times y2 plus n times y1 divided by what? M plus n. This is section formula. Clear? So x, y another point tagotev now, which is dividing 2, 2. Okay, from here mx2 is nothing but what? This is m. We don't know, we need to find the value. X2 value another nodri, x2 value is 3. So it will be 3 times of 3 times of m. Correct? And x1 value another 0 other, so that will not come. M plus n as it is. Clear or no? Divided by m plus n, comma il matte another my2 andre ena my2 is 0, ny1 is 6, so 6n divided by m plus n as it is. Clear? So from here now you can cross multiply this over here andre equate ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಈಗ. Okay, chalo, I'll add it in next slide. 2 is equals to, you have nothing but what? 2 is equals to 3m divided by m plus n. Cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ, so it will be 2m plus 2n is equal to 3m. Correct? Or else we can take this side. Idin complete ee kade ತಗೊಂಡ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರ m minus 2n will be equals to what? 0. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? This is your first equation. Second equation another, again we have 2 is equals to, yes, 6n divided by m plus n. Cross multiply from here, we have 2m plus 2n is equal to 6n. Correct? If I take this side, your 2m minus 4m will be equals to what? 0. How then? Or else what we can do? Divide throughout by 2. So 4m minus 3n ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay. This will be n is equals to 0. M minus 4n will be equals to what? 0. Correct? Now we have to solve this both equations. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಎರಡು equations ಅದಾವ. So yes, one equation is m minus 2n is equals to 0. Yes, another one is nothing but what now? M minus 4n is equals to 0. ತಿಳಿತೇನಿಲ್ಲ? Understood everyone? 2 is to 1. Clear? Chalo. So what we have from here now? If we subtract this both, okay, Fine. See here, 3m by m plus n and 6n by m plus n. Okay, we can take it in the ratio. We can take this in the ratio 1:2 also. Howdenilla? Okay, 2m plus 2n m minus 2n to 0. Okay, we'll subtract madidni andra. This will become minus of minus plus. So minus 2n plus this will be nothing but what? What we'll get from here, guys? 1:2 you people are getting. Okay. Nayal mistake madateni. 0,6. Okay. This point is 2,2. Fine, that is also correct. 3,0 is there. Okay. M is to n we need to find, right? M is to n. Correct. So that means that what? M by n we need to find. So I can take that. Your n I can take some k times of m. Like this also I can take. Fine. 2n. Na? 2n. 2m plus 2n. 3m minus 2n is equals to 0. 2m plus 2n is equals to 6n. 2m minus 4n is equals to 0. If we solve this, this will be 2n is equals to 0 or n value is 0. N value is 0 andre m value kuda 0 ಆಗ್ತದ. Now why it is becoming like this? Somewhere I am doing mistake, guys. Okay. L madatene ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. See, m is to n ratio we need to find, right? Okay. So we can tell from here that your m by n is equal to some ratio is there. I can tell it as k. So m I can tell that n times it is k. We can proceed one with this. Okay. M I can tell as n times k because see it is getting cancelled. Correct or no? So here if I substitute that same n times k minus 2n is equals to 0. And if I take common, k minus 2 will be equal to 0. So see here, yes, this is what we had to follow, guys. Okay, we need to find m is to n, right? Correct or no? 2 is equals to 3m divided by m plus n. Yeah, correct it is. Question is not wrong. Question is correct. Okay, question is correct. See, in this problem, what we have to do is ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ m is to n we have m by n is equals to k. Correct or no? ಅಂದ್ರೆ m by n ratio ನಮ್ find ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ. So we take that it is equal to some quantity k ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೇವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. Because m and n value, see, m value can't be equal to 0 and n value also can't be equal to 0. So for that reason we take m is equals to n times k. Now since we have taken this, same thing I'll use over here. See, m value ಏನದ n times k minus 2n is equals to 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ leave this. Okay, concentrate on this over here. nk minus 2n is equals to 0. n common I have taken. Now we know that n value can't be 0. So this implies k minus 2 should be equal to what? 0. Or I can tell from here that k value is equal to what? 2. Yes or no? Simple. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟ. Don't do this much all. Directly we are getting over here. See, clear now? So if k value is 2, come back over here. K value 2 other. So what I can tell from here now? Okay, so here if I substitute now, see, m is equals to, we have 2 times of n, or m by n is equals to 2 by 1, or m is to n is nothing but what? 2 is to 1. Clear, guys? Understood? Different type of problem it is. Okay, it's ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ different type of problem ಅದ. Understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. By regular method we can't solve. By regular method if we go to solve we are getting 0 and 0. So we can't solve by that method. We need to assume this m is to n. We have to take it as m by n is equals to k. We need to establish this ratio. Important. Clear? Yes. Next problem ಈಗ ಹೋಗೋಣ. See, this is again your OR question. Fine. Here they are telling that what now? Find the coordinates of the point which divides. One point is there. A point ellada gotilla. That point can be here also. That point can be here also. But we need to find the points given in the figure internally in the ratio 1:2. Okay. Means one point is there. We'll consider this point as x comma y. Okay. So this it is dividing in the ratio 1 and this is nothing but what? 2. Clear or no? Now coordinates of this point. Yes to the 2 comma 5. Okay. Here it is 2 comma 5 and coordinates of this point. It is nothing but what? 5 comma 2. Clear? Again by section formula. Same section formula you people can use. So section formula. What do we have guys in section formula? Tell. Another x comma y is equal to m times x2 plus n times x1 divided by m plus n, comma m times y2 plus n times y1 divided by m plus n. Now here not necessary to take k. Ill necessity illa. Okay. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾವು x comma y will be equal to what? See, this is a direct and easy question. M value another, M value is 1, 1 times 5, correct? So 1 times 5 will be 5 plus n times x1, 2 times of 2 will be nothing but what? 4 divided by 3, comma. Direct question, easy question it is. M times of y2, 1 times of 2, that will be 2 plus n times of 2 into 5 will be what? 10 divided by 3. Correct? This is your m is to n ratio. Correct or no? So x comma y is equal to, yes, look at this guys. 5 plus 4 is nothing but what? 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And here also it is nothing but what? 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is nothing but what? 4. So 3 comma 4 point L bartadiga. Now if you exactly locate this point over here, necessity illa madbekanta heli. This is was a 2. 3 comma 4 means this is a 3, correct? And this is a 4. So this point it is 1:2 ratio it is dividing. Clear? Understood guys? Artha aita? Chalo. Next question go na. Prove that tangent at any point on the circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. Okay? Prove madri idana. Okay? You people might have practiced. ಭಾಳ ಸತಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದ. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದ, 3 marks ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ ಬರ್ಬೋದ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ 100% ಬರ್ಬೋದ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ, ಚಲೋ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಇಟ್. ಫೈನ್. ಸಿ, ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. PIYBY ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಚಲೋ. ಅವ ಹರ್ಷ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅವಂಗ ಓದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತಾನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಅವ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗು ಆಕಿನ ನಂಬರ ಬರ್ಕೋತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನ ನಾವು, ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಆ ಹರ್ಷಿಗ ಕುಂತು ಓದಪ್ಪ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಚಲೋ, ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಬುಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ₹60. Had he brought 5 more books for the same amount, each book would have cost ₹1 less. Then find the number of books bought by him. Do it. Yes. Do it guys. Yes, do it guys. Midpoint question, one question will come sure. Okay, midpoint question, one question will be there for 3 marks. Fine. Chalo. So yes, they are telling that a student brought some book for ₹60. Fine. So let some books anataralla. So e word kanchid maga some books an maga ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. Okay. Let the number of books be x. Okay. Let the number of books be x. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ? We don't know. Correct or no? So they are telling that he brought some books for ₹60. Correct? So we can tell that cost of each book cost of each book will be nothing but what now? See, ಅವ್ರೇನಂತಾರ he brought X books for 60, then one book cost is how much now? Cross multiply. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? Correct. So it will be nothing but what? 60 divided by X. Clear? 60 divided by X. ಇಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Everyone understood this? Correct or no? The number of books bought by the student is 15. Very nice. Amulya has practiced. All the questions he has practiced. See. Okay. Chalo. So, ಇಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Cost of each book, let it be 60 by X. Had he brought 5 more books, the same amount, each book would have costed him rupees 1 less. Okay. For the same amount, 5 more books. Okay. So, next part of the question ಏನನ್ನತ್ತಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವರ number of books brought by him. Case 2. Okay. In the case 2, they are telling that books brought. Now the books brought by him is nothing but what? X plus 5. Correct? Cost of the book same other. So therefore we can tell that cost of each book is nothing but what now? 60 divided by X plus 5. Because same cost they are telling. Question naga it nodri. For the same cost or amount, it would have costed him 1 rupees less. 1 rupees less andre ena? 60 by X minus 60 by X plus 5 will be equal to 1 rupees less. Yes or no? If you would have bought 5 books extra, 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? 60 by X minus 60 by X plus 5 is equals to 1. Clear? ಇಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes or no? So see here, 60 divided by X minus 60 divided by X plus 5 is equal to 1. Quadratic equation now. Correct or no? 60 we can take common. Yes. Okay. Here if I take the LCM, it will be X into X plus 5. Correct? X into X plus 5. Numerator next solve madidra, it will be X plus 5. Correct? Here I need to multiply by X plus 5 minus X. Will be equals to what? 1 divided by, yes, it will be equals to 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು cancel ಆತ. Correct or no? So we have, if we cross multiply, ನೋಡ್ರಿ numerator ನಾಗ ಏನದ 300 ಅದ. Correct? And here we have, if we cross multiply X into X plus 5. So we have 300 is equals to what? X square plus 5X. Or we have X square plus 5X plus 300 is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. Yes, Vishwanath, tell me. Tell me guys, if we solve this, what we'll get? Yes, Harsh, it's okay, but sit and study, man. Okay, exams baratava. Okay, chalo. So we have X square plus, X square plus 5X plus 300 is equals to 0. Clear? So yes, what are the values of X? X value is 15. Clear guys? Correct. 300 is there. Can be written as what? 15 into 20. Correct? But we need 5X. This is plus. Correct or no? So what we can do now? 15 into 20 if we take, it will be 300. So this will be plus 5. This will be minus. Correct? I think it is minus 300 over here. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Here if we take this side, it will be nothing but what? 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. We'll get 0 over here. Correct? So this is minus sign. Minus 300 is equals to 0. Correct? So which can be factorized as x plus 15 into x minus, yes, 20 is equals to, okay. So this should be now ulta. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? This is 20 and this is 15. So this should be plus and this is plus and this is minus. So can be factorized and written as x plus 20 into x minus 15 is equal to 0. So therefore your x value is minus 20 or x value is nothing but what? 15. Number of quantity of books can't be negative. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? Yes, correct. Pratiksha, correct. Number of books can't be negative. So therefore total number of books is nothing but what? 15. Clear? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಗೈಸ್? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ದೆನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾಟ್ ಬೈ ಹಿಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್? 15. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಲೆಟ್ us go to next. In the figure ABC are the points on OP, OQ and OC respectively. If AB is parallel to PQ, andre AB is parallel to PQ, correct? AB is parallel to PQ and AC, whatever your AC is there, it is parallel to PR. Then you need to show that this is also parallel. Okay, figure naga antu kanatada, but you need to prove it. Yes sir, 5 marks question ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ಬೋದು? either it can come BPT prove ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, a postulate can come, or else ನಿಮ್ದು mensuration ಇಂದ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಒಂದು question. It can come from mensuration. Clear? Yes. Now how do we solve this, students, over here? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನ? Yes, look at this. In triangle PQR, what we can do over here in triangle PQR? Nodri, basic proportionality theorem can we apply? Okay, why can we apply basic proportionality theorem? These two sides, they are telling that it is parallel. This whatever angle is there, it is common angle to both the triangles. Yes or no? So by basic proportionality theorem, what we can tell over here now? Yes, tell me guys, what we can tell over here? Correct agi ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Yes, tell me guys, what we can tell? See, already two sides are parallel, they have given. AB is parallel to PQ, they have given. Yes or no? Clear? So what we can do over here? Your AB divided by, yes, AB divided by what? PQ we can take. This is given, right? Here they have given that PQ is parallel to AB. Correct? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So I can tell that AB divided by PQ is equal to, yes, what I can tell now? I can take this ratio OB divided by OQ. Yes or no? OB divided by OQ. Clear? Name this as equation 1. Fine. Again, in triangle, next triangle, see now. In triangle, yes, in triangle, this part of the triangle we will take. Your OPQR, correct? Or we can tell that nothing but what? PQR bada. Il PQR tapagtada. Okay? We can take that. In triangle, your OPQ and your AOB. Okay? Let this be like this. In triangle, your OPR and triangle, yes, AOC. Okay? E are triangles naga. This part of the triangle, guys. This is one triangle. See, ee riti madidre easily gottagtade nimga. Clear? This triangle and this triangle. Okay? Complete triangle. Clear? Clear ada? Is clear ada? Okay, no confusion here, right? Yes. Look at this. In this both triangles, I can tell that what already they have given in the question that what? AC is parallel to PR. AC is parallel to what? PR. So hangidra, if your AC is parallel to PR by basic proportionality theorem, I can tell that nothing but what? Your AC, yes, AC divided by PR. Okay, AC divided by PR, I can tell it as equal to nothing but what? AC divided by PR, I can tell it as OC divided by CR. Clear? Ishta artha aita? Understood or no? Clear? Up till over here, in doubt ada? Clear? Yes. Now also if you look at this over here, students, OA divided by AP, I can tell that this is also equal to OA divided by AP. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಎಲ್ಲ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, OA divided by AP. Now this side was main, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನದ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೇನ್ ಅದ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ is a side which is similar to both the part of this triangle and this triangle. Correct or no? First triangle we have taken over here. See this. First we have taken it as this and this ಈ ರೀತಿ ತಗೊಂಡೇವಿ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅದ ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್ your AC by PR is equals to OC by OR is equals to what? OA by AP. Clear? This is a equation 2. Now if you see in equation 1 and 2 we can take the required ratios OB by OQ. Correct or no? Nodri. I'll add one slide. From equation 1 and 2. Yes. What we can tell from equation 1 and 2 guys? In here both the equation 1 and 2 in the quickly from equation 1 and 2 what we can tell. See, look at the figure and tell over here. Not really. OA by AP is equals to OA by AP. Correct? So I can tell OB by OQ is equals to OC by CR. I can tell that OB by OQ is equals to OC divided by CR. Clear? Like this I can tell OQ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ BQ ಬರಿಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. Okay, this should have been BQ. Clear? So this will also be what now? This will also be BQ over here. So OB by BQ is equals to OC by CR we are getting. So what we can tell now? See here. OB divided by OC is equals to BQ divided by CR. Just cross multiply. Yes or no? So two ratios we are getting same. So therefore from BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem again, I can tell that what now? See here. In Anboda, these two sides are nothing but what? Parallel to each other. So BC is parallel to your QR. Okay? BC is parallel to what? QR. That's it. Understood the proof? Correct? Fine. Chalo. Next question you go na. Yes, next is our next part. Okay, 4 marks part it is. Answer the following questions. 4 marks. Clear? Quickly we'll finish guys. Yes, the 8th term of an arithmetic progression is half of its second term and 11th term of the progression exceeds one third of its fourth term by 1. Find the 15th term. Find the 15th term. Do it guys. Quickly madri idana. Yes. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಾ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಕನ್ನಡನೂ ಬೇಕಾ? ಕನ್ನಡ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಈಸಿ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಕನ್ನಡ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಸಿನೋ, ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಡೈಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಕನ್ನಡ? Tell. Okay, yes, I'll do. Okay, tomorrow at again 5 p.m. there will be model paper discussion 2. Clear? Yes, they're telling that 8th term of the whatever arithmetic progression is there. See, A8, sorry, you'll note A8, they are telling that the 8th term of the progression is half of its 11th term. Andre A8 is equals to half of A11. Clear? According to the given question. Hanga new second read madri. Fine. Half of its second term. Sorry. Here it is given. See, half of its second term. A2. Okay. This part of the question. 8th term is half of its second term. Next they are telling that 11th term of the progression exceeds one third of the fourth term by 1. Statement nag heng baritiri? Yes. 15th term is 3. Amulya. Yes, next we will go for this. See over here. Nodri idana. They are telling that A11th term, correct, one third of its fourth term exceeds one third of its fourth term plus 1 by 1. Ee riti. Understood or no? Clear? Okay, you need triangle chapter revision. Fine. Accordingly we'll plan. Okay, don't worry. A plus an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. That is the general term we have of an AP because they are telling that it is an arithmetic progression. So if we substitute that there, nodri, A8 will be nothing but what? A plus 7d 1 by 2. A2 will be nothing but what? Your A plus d. Clear? So cross multiply from here, 2a plus 7 2s are 14d will be equals to a plus d. Okay, if you take this side over here, illinda ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ 2a minus a will be nothing but what? A plus 13d will be equal to what? 0. Correct? Yes. Next. A11 ಬೇಕಾ? A11 will be nothing but what now guys from here? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Your a plus 10d will be 1 by 3. A4 will be nothing but what? A plus 3d plus 1. Correct? If you cross multiply, 3a plus 30d is equals to, yes, a plus 3d. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ cross multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ 3. Okay, just take this side. So your 3a minus a will be nothing but what? 2a. 30d minus 3d will be nothing but what? Plus 27d is equal to 3. ಎರಡು equations ಅದಾವ. We have two equations. We need to solve them. Yes or no? Okay, so see, nothing they have told over here. 8th term of the arithmetic progression is half of the second term. So we will get this. A8 is equals to 1 by 2 A2. Next, 11th term of the progression exceeds 1 by 3rd of 4th term by 1. So A11 is equals to 1 by 3rd of A4 plus 1. Because 1 by 3rd they are telling no. Then AN formula I have used. Clear? Now we have two equations to solve. Clear or no? We have two equations to solve. First equation is a plus 13d is equal to 0. Next is 2a plus 27d is equal to 0. This equation will multiply by 2. Correct? So multiply by 2 madidra. Sorry, here we have 3, no? Ill 3 ada nodri. Okay, here we have 3. If I multiply, your 2a plus 13 2s will be 26d will be equal to 0. And here we have 2a plus 27d will be equal to 3. Subtract madri I do equation. Subtract this. So this will get cancelled. Here also if I subtract, this will be minus d equal to minus 3 it will be, because here also minus. This will get cancelled. D value is nothing but what? 3. Correct or no? D value 3 banta. Correct? Okay. So D value is 3. Now you can use one of the equation. Ilen bandait nodri, a plus 13d is equals to 0 bandada. A plus 13d is equals to 0. So a plus 13 times, yes, d value is 3 we have got, is equals to 0. A plus 13 into, yes, 13 into 3 is nothing but what? 39 is equals to 0. A value is minus 39. Clear? A value nimda minus 39 banta. Now since you have got a value, you need to go to find what? A15 value, which is nothing but what? A plus 14d. Correct? Which is nothing but a value is minus 39 plus 14 times 3. Yes or no? So minus 39 plus, yes. From here you will get nothing but what? Nodri. Correct? So this is 42. Understood? Clear? So which is nothing but what now? Minus 39 plus 42 is nothing but what? Yes, 3. So A15th term is 3. Clear everyone? A value is minus 39. Yes, A value is minus 39 and your A15th term is 3. Okay? Yes, Manjunath, can you teach how to do LCM? Okay, fine. Not now, pa. Okay, because we are discussing now model question paper. Surely whenever we get time we'll discuss. Clear? Yes, an arithmetic or else at the end of the class we will discuss. Fine. So an arithmetic progression consists of 37 terms. Clear? So if the sum of its 3 middle term is 225 and the sum of its last 3 terms is 429, then you need to find the progression. Okay, whatever one progression is there, that you need to find over here. Chalo. So what they are telling, an arithmetic progression consists of 37 terms. Correct? So middle term of AP. ಏನಾಗ್ತದ middle term of the AP? It is nothing but n divided by 2 plus 1. Correct? Okay, sorry, it will be n plus 1 divided by 2 to find the middle term of the AP. So that will be nothing but what? 37 plus 1 divided by 2. 37 plus 1 is nothing but what? 38. 38 divided by 2 is nothing but what? 19. Clear? So this implies A19 is middle term of AP. Now they are telling that the sum of its three middle terms. Three middle terms andre yav riti bartava? Yes, understand this guys. Three middle terms means how will we get it now? We got it as 19 term as its middle term, correct or no? A19 is middle term, so I can tell that A19 previous to this A18 and A20 are middle terms. Okay, atra aju baju ಏನು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ A19 ನಿಮ್ middle term atra aju baju. Yes, correct ಇದನ್ನ, correct. Sir, why should we multiply with 3 with A plus? Yes, because here it is there, no? See, here we have 1 by 3 over here. Yellow itada 1 by 3 we have, no? This 3 I have cross multiplied over here. This 3 when I cross multiply, or if I take the LCM, here plus 3 will come, then divided by 3, then throughout cross multiply. Understood? Okay. Chalo. So middle term is this. So I can tell from here that your A18 plus A19 plus A20. Nodri, in another question naga middle term is nothing but what? Sum of its three middle term is 225. Correct? Now we know that it is A plus n minus 1D. Correct or no? General term, we know that An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So same thing. So from here it will be nothing but what? A plus 17D, A plus, yes, 18D, A plus 19D is equals to 225. So A plus A will be 3A. 17 plus 18 plus 19. Yes, bartada 3A plus 54D. Very nice. 3A plus 54D is equals to 225. Correct. Can we take 3 common? Okay, 5 plus 2, 7. Yes, 3 2 out. If I divide, ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, A plus, here it will be nothing but what now? 18D is equals to, yes, here if I divide, it will be nothing but what? 7s are 75. Clear? A plus 18D is equals to 75. Clear? Chalo. ಇಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next ಏನು ಅನ್ನತ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರ? They are telling that, and the sum of its last 3 terms, 37 terms adava. So last 3 terms will be nothing but what? A35, A36 and A37 are last 3 terms. Clear? So your A35 means what? A35 plus A36 plus A37, they are telling that it is nothing but what? 429. Illi kuda same ega. A plus 34D, A plus 35D, A plus 36D is equals to what? 429. So 3A plus, yes, ide ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ? How much will be this sum? 35, 36, 37. Iranna, how much will be this sum? Okay. Satvik, you saw now. Fine. No worries. Tomorrow also 5 to 7 p.m. or 7:30 we will be discussing the next model paper. Okay. You'll note 30 plus 30 will be, yes, 30 will be 90, 100, 105. Correct? D will be equals to 429. Now again throughout we can divide by 3. So it will be A plus, yes, here it will be 35D is equals to, yes, here if we divide, it will be nothing but what? 3 1s are 3, 4s are, correct, 143. You had equations bandu enilla. Did we get 2 equations over here? See, one equation is A plus 35D is equal to, yes, what we have? Enayt nodri, A plus 35D is equals to 143. And another equation A plus, yes, another 18D is equals to 75. Correct enilla? Is this clear for everyone? Now if we subtract this both, this will get cancelled. 35 minus 18 will be nothing but what? 220 bartada. Hodanilla 2 12 and 5 17D. Yes, if we subtract this, 143 minus 75, 379 are the AP. Very nice. Sure. 68. Correct? We'll get 68 over here. So your D value will be nothing but what? 4 from here. Yes or no? D value will be nothing but what? 4. Clear? If D value is 4, one of the equation we can substitute over here. Correct? Namge ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತದ? A plus 35D is equals to 143. So A plus, yes, 35 into 4. Quickly do this calculation, guys. 35 into 4. Here it will be 140 is equal to 143. So your A value will be nothing but what? 140 minus 143 will be nothing but what? 3. Correct? So this is your A value, this is your D value. So required AP now. Required AP. More term bardra saka. Tirita. Only if you write 3 terms it is understood. A plus D and A plus 2D. Ist madidra sak. So what it will be now? Required AP. A value is nothing but what? 3. 3 plus 4 is nothing but what? 7. Correct? 4 2s are, it is 8. 8 plus 3. Enagtada 11. And so on. Clear? 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on. Very nice guys. Correct? Ishta bardra saka. Chalo, next question you go na. Solve the given pair of lines by graphical method. Okay? Graphical method in solve madbeka. Too many questions I have done actually. Okay? You people can do it by yourself. Okay? And give answer in chat box. Give answer in chat box. Okay? Class ಆದ್ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ problem. Okay, when we did marathon ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we have done too many problems on this graphical method in ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? Yes or no? Mokshit done. Last just 2 questions are there. We will finish this and then it is done. Clear? Chalo. X value to Y value 4. Okay. So if you want to verify the answer, your X value is 2 and Y value is what? X value is 2, Y value is 2. Okay. One answer is this they are telling. Innonda Naresh nimgen bandaiti. Y value is 4. Okay. X value is 2, Y value is 4. Nodri, yaud correct adavanta people need to find. Okay. Madri after the question. Okay. Majority are getting this. Chalo. Next question you go na. Yes. If one angle of the triangle is equal to one angle of the other angle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then prove the triangles are similar. Correct? One angle is equal to other angle and the sides including these angles are proportional. Nodri, if one angle of the triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and sides including these angles are also proportional, then yes, what criteria it is? ASA criteria. Yes or no? Angle side angle criteria. This is what you have to tell. Yes, what is your question? Irana, what is your question? Where? What is your question? SAS criteria. Yes, sorry. SAS criterion. Okay, fine. Yes, science model paper also has been solved, Nakul. Okay, last 3 days science paper has been solved. Today onwards we are doing maths papers. Fine. Yes. Now see, try it by yourself. Okay, prove it by yourself. Simple question ada. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. However it is given in your NCERT ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಗೈಸ್. Okay, if you have not understood how to prove it, then tell me in the next class. Fine. Yes, a rope is tied from a vertical tip to a pole of 37 meter to a peg on the level ground. Correct? So in another nodri, this is the pole. Suppose this is whatever is there, this is the pole. Height of the pole is nothing but what? 37 meter. Correct? Height of the pole is 37 meter. It is tied to over here on the ground. We don't know how much it is. Okay, another rope is tied to the same pole little below andre ena, starting from here. Correct? We even don't know how much is this. Correct? Neither we don't know this nor we don't know this. Correct? It is also tied on the ground over here, making each angle of 30 degree. If the difference of the length in the rope is 8 meter andre ena, now if we take this as x, okay, we can do it like this. See, we can tell that your AP be x meters. Fine. Let AP be your x meters. Then your BQ will be how much now? BQ will be how much? X minus 8. ಹೌದನಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು x minus 8 ಆಗ್ತದೆ because they are telling that difference in the whatever length of the rope is x minus 8. You need to find the height of the pole. Height of the pole ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ at which the rope is tied, second rope is tied, and this height we need to find, we don't know, but the total height given is how much? 37 meters. Also find the length of the rope. Clear? So simple question. ಹೌದನಿಲ್ಲ in triangle APM, in triangle APM, what we have? Sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree ಏನದಪ್ಪ? Sine 30 degree is nothing but what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Clear? Opposite by hypotenuse. Clear? Opposite ಎಷ್ಟದ? Opposite C. This complete we know. Yes or no? This complete we know that it is 37. Hypotenuse we don't know, it is x. Sine 30 degree is nothing but what? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equals to what? 37 divided by x. So cross multiply from here. X will be nothing but what? 37 into 2. 74. Very nice. Okay. Who has given this answer? Savita. Correct. Okay. Very nice. Correct. X value is nothing but what? 74 meters. So x value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತಿದ? X value ಬಂತು ನಮ್ಗೆ. X value is 74 meters. Now if this is 74, they are telling that this is less. Correct or no? 8 less. So x minus, sorry, 74 minus 8. Now 74 minus 8 is how much? Sir, please phone number kodi, doubt ive. Okay. Fine. We'll connect after the class. Okay. Okay, Ranna. Fine. ಏನ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಅದ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಾಗ. ಓಕೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಗೈಸ್? ಓಕೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ? 74 minus 8 is nothing but what now? 66 meters. Correct? Means this is what we are getting now. This is 66 meter. Clear? We'll go to next page. Fine. Now in the second triangle. In triangle, yes, what is this triangle, guys? What is this triangle? BMQ. In triangle BMQ. Clear? In triangle BMQ. What we have now? Nodri. Again I'll take sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree will be nothing but what? This much and this much. Correct or no? Ada ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. Sine 30 degree will be nothing but what? BM opposite divided by, yes, MQ, right? BM divided by MQ. Correct? Yes. Now this is nothing but what? Again 1 by 2. BM is we don't know. That height we need to find. Correct ಏನಿಲ್ಲ? ಈ height ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಈ height ಎಷ್ಟದ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೇನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ we need to find. Correct? We know that your BQ is nothing but what? Yes. Sorry. MQ, right? BQ ಬರಿಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. BM divided by BQ. Clear? BQ is nothing but what now? Already we have found. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದೈತಿ? 66 meters. Correct or no? This is 66. So this is 2 ones are. This is 2 33s are. So H value is nothing but what? 33 meters. Done or no? Simple problem ಇತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ. Clear everyone? Yes, height is 33 meters. ಸರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ 1 into 5 marks. ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಅದು ಮಾಡಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 1ನ್ಯಾಗ ಈಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಅನ್ನತ್ತಾರ? ದ ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ವಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ such that the cone is surmounted on the cylindrical shape. Whatever this cone is there, it is surmounted on the cylindrical shape. If the height of this shape is 9 meter. Height of what is 9 meter now? Illi nodri. Height enada illi? This they are telling that it is 9 meter. Correct? Then this height will be how much, students? Now this height ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ 17 meters ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾತರ. The total height of the tent is 17 meters. Then if you take from this point to this point, how much it is? Quickly chat box nag helri. How much it is from here to here? How much it is? 8 meters, correct? This is your 8 meters. Diameter of the base of the tent is 30 meters. Diameter andre ena, this total is diameter, right? Then how much will be its radius? Total they are telling that it is 30 meters. Namge en beka? Radius ashta beka. So radius of the base will be nothing but what now? 15 meters divided by 2. This is 15 meters. Is data clear aata? Okay, now they are telling that area of the ground occupied by the tent. Area of the ground occupied by the tent. Another area. So if you answer option A, your required area. Required area. A will be equals to what? Another ground mega. Area another ground mega. Circle ada. Yes or no? So since it is a circle, it will be nothing but what? Pi r square. Correct? So A will be equals to what? 22 divided by 7 into r square. R square another. Radius of this base we need to take. So it will be 15 into 15. So area will be how much? Okay? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಏರಿಯಾ? Quickly calculate. Calculator use ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. You people do it by yourself. Okay, yes, how much will get, guys? 22 into 15 into 15, correct? How much will get? 4950 divided by 7, correct? So divided by 7, how much will get now? It is nothing but 707.142. So required area will be nothing but what? 707.14 square centimeter. This is the required area of what? The tent occupied on the ground. Yes or no? ಸರ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಭಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಿಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಮಚ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೀವು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇರಣ್ಣ ಅವರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನದಾವ ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನಾ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ 1 marks 2 marks 3 marks 4 marks ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 5 marks. ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ 70+ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ. ಅದಂತೂ ಕಾಳಜಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಬಿಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು. 70+ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. 80 out of 80 ಬರಾಕ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಬಟ್ 70 out of 70 ಅಂತೂ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಗೈಸ್? ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿನಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, they are asking that we need to find how much canvas is required to build the complete tent. Itra mag tent ada complete canvas ಹಾಕಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it will be nothing but what? Surface area of cone plus surface area of the cylinder. Yes or no? So required whatever canvas is there. ಎಷ್ಟು canvas ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ? required canvas, it will be nothing but what? Your curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. Clear or no? Curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of what? Cylinder. Yes, formula another. Quickly, what is curved surface area of your cone? Quickly tell me the formula, guys. Which are the main questions? Main questions, okay, I'll do a separate video, fine. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನಂತ ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಸ್. Curved surface area of the cone is nothing but what? Pi r l. And what is the curved surface area of the cylinder? Yes. What is curved surface area of the cylinder? Pi r l is for cone. Curved surface area is nothing but what? 2 pi r h. Yes or no? So from here I can take pi r common. So remaining will be l plus, yes, l plus 2h. Clear? ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ? How to find this L now? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. Look at this diagram. We need to find the slant height of the cone. Correct? We don't know this, but ಇದನ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತದ ನಮ್ಗೆ. This is 15. Clear? So if I draw a triangle over here, clear ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. Okay. See. Top part ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅದ. Yes or no? The base is 15 meters over here. This is, we have 8 meters. We want this side. ABC. Pythagoras theorem apply madona. Your AB square plus BC square is equals to CA square. Yes or no? So 8 square plus 15 square is equals to CA square. So CA square will be nothing but what? 15 square is 225. 225 plus 64. Correct? So CA square will be nothing but what? 289 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. Correct? So CA will be nothing but what? Root of 289. Root of 289 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? 17 meter. So this is nothing but what? 17 meter over here. Clear? That is the slant height of the cone. So ಏನು ಬಂತ? 22 divided by 7. Radius change ಆಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Radius is 15 itself. Slant height ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? How much is the slant height we have, guys, there? 17 plus 2 times height. Yes, 2 times height andre ena? Now height, when we look for height, we have to look for, when we look for height, we have to look for this complete height, because canvas ilinda ilmata baratada alla. So it is nothing but what now? 17. Okay, 2 times of 17 into h. Ashta. 2 times of 17. Clear? Understood, guys? Is clear aata? Okay, sir, please answer my question. Question I answered no already. So here it will be nothing but what? 22 into 15 divided by 7 into 3 times of 17. Clear? Ee riti banta. So we'll just do the calculation directly. Nodri illi 22 into 15 into 3 into 17. Clear? Divided by 7. This much you people are getting? 2, 4. Yes. 1650 you people are getting. (22 into 15 into 5). Slant height of the cone is 17. Idantu 17 banta. Height of the cone height of the okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನಾನು? Height of the cylinder ತಗೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. Correct. Very nice, guys. Okay. Here I should have, because here only the formula is for cylinder, right? H is height of the cylinder. Now height of the cylinder is how much, guys, over here? Yes, the height of the cylinder, it is nothing but 9. Correct or no? 9 other. Okay. Yes. So from here you have 22 into 15 divided by 7 into, yes, here we have 18 plus 17. Correct? Yes or no? Correct baratada 2, 4. That is for previous one, no? Clear? So here you will get 35. Correct? So 5, 7 ones are 7 5s are. So 22 into 15 into 5. This will be the answer. Correct? So 22 yes, into 15 into 5. Clear? So 1650. What? Meter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ and centimeter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Meter. Correct? Meter square. Clear? Previous one also, yes. Here it is square meter. Understood, guys? Clear or no? Artha aita? Is this problems clear for you people? Sir, please nange ನೀವು ಆಗಲೇ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿ, ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಎಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಇರನ್ನ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಾವೇನು ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಏನು ಕೇಳತ್ತೀರಿ, ತುಂಬ ಭಯ ಆಗತ್ತದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನಾವೇನು ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವಲ್ಲ, 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks and 5 marks. Even maths and science, ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ. Plus model paper, question paper ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Correct? Today we have done first model paper. Tomorrow again 5 o'clock to 7:38 we'll be doing second model paper. Again later on, clear? Third day 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. we will be doing another model paper. So first, second, third model paper ನಿಮ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ ನಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನಂತ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಗೈಸ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 1 ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನೀಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ PDF ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ PDF ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Definitely go through the PDF over here, okay, and then solve all the question once. ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಚಲೋ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ವೇಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಅದ, ಮೆನ್ಸುರೇಷನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅದ, ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈ ವೇಟೇಜ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ ಲೋ ವೇಟೇಜ್, ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ವೇಟೇಜ್ ಬರೋದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ನಾಗ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.